welcome back to my channel. This is Forum and you are watching FMA makeup tutorials. Today we are going to review the beautiful Sephora IT Palette. It looks such a beautiful way. It has a leather coating right here, and if you see, it has beautiful nude shades to play with. It has one slot for a pencil and one slot for a brush. The brush comes with two ends and it has a pointed brush on one side and fluffier brush on the other side. Applied my concealer and I'm setting my concealer with the Mercier loose powder, and I'm going to take a generous amount of that same powder and applying it right below my eye to just avoid any kind of fallouts if we get. And I'll be applying like a liner first. Pigment is so freaking amazing that you touch the lid and you have the entire pigment right there on your eye. So I am just creating a rough liner, and by the fluffier corner of the brush I am going to dig in this gray shade right here, and I am going to try smudging this entire line on my lid. And then taking this brown color right here, I am going to try to make it more smoked out and more fluffier. There's a lot of fallout which I see in this palette, but it's okay, we'll manage. We have kept the powder to hold it. Just taking the angular brush, I am intensifying my upper lash line, and I'm taking the same dark brown color and going below my eyes as well. And by the same light gray color, I am smudging my bottom lash line as well. And now by taking this shade right here on the fingertip, I am just going to add some more drama on this eyeshadow. And then by taking this shade right here, I am going to add a little bit more sparkle to the entire shadow. Now by using the kohl pencil, I'm just going to line my lower lash line or the waterline with the Essence Kohl pencil. So I'm just getting rid of all the excess fallout on the lower part of my eye. And now I see nothing. I like that. I will just elongate a little bit of eyeshadow from the outside corner. And for my inner corner and the brow bone, again I'll be going with this beautiful pearl white color and filling my inner corner and my brow bone. Also, just to enhance this entire look, I am going to go again on the darkest brown and trying to create a fake line here for my lower lash line so that my eyes look bigger. So now instead of lining my upper lash line with a normal black liner, I am going to use a silver liner right here from the Feng, and I am just going to line my upper lash line like an eyeliner. So this will add a little bit more sparkle to the entire eyeshadow and give it all that it requires for all the definitions and the attraction you need. So first I'm taking this mascara from MAC Hot and Naughty Mascara, and I'm just going to coat my lashes generously, and I'm not going to miss my lower lash line, as I feel that this look is going to get enhanced because of the lower lashes as well. And now it's the time for some lashes, and I am going to use Sophia from Huda Beauty. I'm going to place this on the upper lash band. So I'm going to use the shade called Flirt from Huda Beauty, and it's gonna look very subtle with this look. And there I go. So I'm just going to use the same brown color over my lips to enhance the look. So finding this palette very basic and good for nudes to smoky looks. You can create something from the white, gray to brown to black family only. It doesn't have too many colors to play with, but the people who love smoky eyes, this palette is completely suitable for them. I love what I've created out of this palette, and it looks such a beautiful and glamorous look. If you like this look, please do not forget to hit the like button and comment in the comment section below. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And this is it for today. I'll see you in my next one.